Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be vlogging today. So we're going to start packing the orders I currently have behind me. I have brought the ones that are going to be shipping today. I have brought them out, at least most of it out. I've just sent to print now, so it's currently printing. So what I'm going to do is I would move the camera to the side just so I'm not having to look backwards, and then move my chair here because I want to sit down. It's not long I came back from I'm hoping I can hear myself with this printer thing going on, or maybe I'll just wait for it to finish. Let me move this in the meantime. Okay, so most of the ones that are going out today are mostly Royal Mail. The Etsy ones, I said the Etsy, the UPS ones, I will sort them out to go out tomorrow instead of today. And there's like 3 that needs adjustment. So the customers want the length reducing, one of them wants the zipper to be removed from it. So I would work on those ones at some point tomorrow. It won't be today now. And then there's one that wants the item to be increased. So our length is usually like 60 inches, but they want it to be 64 inches, which is a whole custom order, but they haven't requested it as a custom order. So I would need to be in touch with them just so they can request it as a custom order if they want it, if they actually want that length. And the other thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to go live on TikTok. So I want to be going live on TikTok a bit more. I'm hoping that I'm showing. I want to be able to go live more on TikTok that I'm currently doing. So yeah, I will move this laptop away from here. I will start to put this. Oh, I haven't done Etsy. I'll need to print Etsy, so I'll bring out this item, a thank you card as well. Our hanging tag is run out, but I'm using the one for IFIZZCREATIONS, which is another brand. So they want to be a 52 inches. I'm going to move that away from here. I'll see, maybe I can even come and do all these adjustments later this evening. But the focus now is just get the ones that are ready out of the way. So this is Avita in a UK 16, and it's an order in the UK. I think we've done, yeah, the shipping over for this. Avita in a 16. This is a mini dress. Yeah, that's correct. So this is Brielle in a medium. I need to sort something out on this one, but it's definitely going today, and it's also in the UK. All right, so they've ordered 2 head wraps. I'll need to bring out this head wraps. This dress, they've ordered demi dress in a 16. So 3 UPS to be done, so they'll be going out tomorrow. This is going to the US. I will do that one now. I'll just do the shipping label for it now. So it's $487. So most times when our items are, if it's like $487, I'll just make it like $500 or $490. Just add additional just in case. Just in case. I don't make it tonight. That's a wrong song to be singing. I think another video I'm going to do like later on is our shipping, and just a few videos like business related. So on this channel we discuss everything small business related, growing your business, and everything else in between. So one question I get asked, I mean, so many times, is regarding shipping. I mean, we get a lot of emails to say, who do we ship with, if like shipping to the US, how long does it take to ship to the US, like questions like that. And I'm like, I thought it was a bit straightforward. But just interacting with people, I kind of see that a lot of these things are not straightforward. So I'm going to be doing videos relating to this. So anyway, I can help someone figure out this whole shipping thing, because we can do that. We can do that. Start packing this one. I'll go live on TikTok and then pack it. Okay guys, so what I'm going to start doing now is, let me move this just a little bit. I have my phone here. Hopefully the phone is not taking up too much space. I'm going to go live on TikTok. I haven't been live on TikTok in a long time. Okay, the phone is not in the frame. So I'm going to go live on TikTok. There are a few things I want to experiment with TikTok live. Our views on TikTok have dropped tremendously. I'm not sure why or what is happening. So something went wrong with your upload. I'm sorry, what? What happened? I'll try go live now. I want to see if I can like do discount codes and stuff on our live. I will also put a link on the live to say what the discount code is. All right, so let me just go on live. Hi guys, welcome to the live. If this is your first time here, my name is IFIZZCREATIONS, and to do well to double tap on that screen and share the live. So if you're new to our live, or if you're not following us at all, the brand is M.A.Dkollection. It's a clothing brand, a women's wear clothing brand. So we have all these beautiful pieces. I'm just going to try, and I'm trying to pack some orders as well while I'm here on the live. So we do African print clothing. I'm just trying to pack some things here. So when you join the live, please feel free to say hello and let me know what city or country you're joining the live from. You can share the live, double tap the screen, anything. Yeah, I'm just trying to get some orders packed. So if you join our live, if you're interested in ordering anything from our website, it's M.A.Dkollection.com, and we have a flash sale currently going on, which ends later on today, midnight today UK time. So it's Mom 25, which gives extra 20% off all items on our website. I don't know how they type while they're on live. When people are on live, how do they type? I wanted to leave a comment, pin your goals. So I'm still trying to get used to this live. So yeah, feel free to say hello when you join the live. Let me know what city and country you're joining from, and also double tap the live, and then share it as well. Let me know where you're joining from. I'm just gonna try and get some of these guys done or sorted while I'm on this live. Yeah. Okay. All right, I would start packing these guys now. We've got a lot of shipping going with UPS, no, Royal Mail. A lot of questions. One of the questions we get asked quite a lot is how we sort out our shipping. Now we ship worldwide, and we ship worldwide from the UK. So all our items are manufactured. They are designed in the UK, but they are manufactured in Nigeria. So all our items are shipped from the UK and we ship worldwide. So something we get asked so many times. Let me find the hanging tags. While I'm having this conversation, I need to be multitasking because I've got to do school run very soon. I need to go pick my kids up. Ooh, what's happening? Software update. So this item is going to the US. They've ordered Sierra Peplum top. So let me know where you're joining the live from. Double tap the live. If you've got any questions, I could try. Let's see. Is it add guest or add host? I don't know how that works, but right, let me see how that works. Let's see. So this item is going to the US. Like I said before, we ship worldwide. Our main customer base is in the US, then the UK, then Australia and Canada. So for international shipping, we use UPS if it's going to the EU, or if it's like priority shipping to other countries, we use UPS because they're so much cheaper than anyone else. So yeah, if we're doing like local deliveries or just standard shipping to US, Australia or Canada, we use Royal Mail, which is like a local service in the UK. And I think it's because it's not a courier, it's just a standard post office. Does this have belts? Yes, it does. Their prices are a lot cheaper than any other courier. So yeah, let me know where you are all joining from, and feel free to say hello when you join the live. So this is a size 16 top. Oh, do you know, I just remembered. I am currently vlogging for my YouTube channel. I totally forgot I was vlogging for my YouTube channel. So I'll need to turn off that one in a bit. Just so it's not just running endlessly. Okay guys, so I was on live on TikTok and also I did my first YouTube live on this channel. Yay! I tried doing it like several months ago, but it did not work. I'm not sure why it didn't work then, so I just kind of not bothered with going live again since that time. So today when I went on TikTok live, I'm like, why don't I just try going on a YouTube live? And ta-da! We did our first YouTube live, which was fantastic. So yeah, I've got 3 more items that I need to send out for today. Let me move the camera to the side. Ooh, oh, it's charging. I was wondering why I had to leave it there.
Bye, mommy.
Bye, Zim Zim. So that's going to Finland.
Bye, mommy.
Bye, Zim Zim. And this one is going to the Netherlands. So I'm just going to pack all 3 of them now.
Hi, David. How are you? Bye, mommy.
Bye, Zim Zim.
Bye, mommy. Move him.
Careful.
Where is
Where is what?
the rice cakes?
Where did Zimmy put it?
I don't know.
Zimmy, you okay?
I put the
Hmm? Yeah, part of my video.
that.
Am I showing inside?
Sorry. I have been eating chips. I can show you which one I've been eating. Yummy, yummy waddles.
That's it from the screen.
No. Yummy, yummy
Okay,
waddles.
so next. No. So next, this one is going to Finland, and they have ordered.
What's Finland?
Finland is a country in Europe.
So we can go to Finland?
Yeah.
Come on, Mommy.
So they've ordered this dress, Lola,
Lola.
in the UK 22.
UK 22, that's a long time ago.
UK 22 is a size of.
Oh! Why are you putting publicity?
So that's the name of the country, sorry.
What?
And they've ordered Asha in a UK 20.
UK 20? So they ordered it a long time ago then.
The size is UK 20, sorry.
But it can still be there if you don't read it.
Okay, so another thing I wanted to mention in this video, I have made a separate video about it, but
Yes.
I made the video today, but I just thought I would just squeeze it into this video. So we have had this issue. So we do have a lot of brands that tend to copy. No, let me rephrase that word. That tend to steal items from our website and put it on their site or sell the same thing. So recently, we had a customer reach out to us to say they've seen a lot of our items on Temu. And I went there, and there's about at least 15 to 20 links from Temu that has our clothing. And what is quite upsetting is it's our models wearing our clothes in front of my house, and they've literally just stolen the picture and then put it on their website, and the price they're selling it at is ridiculous. It's like a knockoff price. It makes no sense. So I'm going to send you, so when the customer messaged us, she did try to order an item. She's like, just so I can see what the item looks like. So this is our product. This is the original product. So this is the knockoff piece from Temu. It is, the quality of the fabric is so badly made. This is what the inside looks like. But for ours, you can't even tell the difference between the inside and the outside. We tend to use 100% cotton with our clothing or our fabric. So if I put both items side by side, like, the difference is so clear. It's 7-Up. Very bad quality. Like, it is terrible. And recently, that was yesterday, another customer messaged us to say they found our item again on Shein. I'm not sure why these big brands think it's okay to keep doing this, stealing off small businesses. We put a lot of time and energy and effort to try and build our brands. It costs money every step of the way for us to be able to build what we're building here, and it's just quite disheartening and really stressful and very upsetting, to say the least, for this brand to keep doing this. So hopefully at some point this nonsense stops. So I'm going to reach out to them to take everything down. I've done that in the past, but it looks like they've just changed out the pictures and then just put it back up again after a few weeks. It is getting really annoying, so I need to sort this out with them once and for all, because I do not want to have to keep dealing with this. It is a lot of time, energy and effort to have to keep dealing with this. So anyways, guys, I have finished packing all the orders that I need to go out today. The only thing that is left is the ones that I need to amend or adjust, which I'll get to at some point. So yeah, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, click on the bell icon so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.